Here's a quick tutorial on how you can flash a tune onto your car using ECU flash when you're working with the tuner. All right, so first thing you want to do is get a Tactrix Open Port 2.0. You can buy these online. And you're going to plug this into your OBD2 port. Once it's plugged in, make sure it's plugged into your laptop. So you're going to open up ECU flash, and if you've never opened it up before, you're going to have to select your vehicle type. So in my case, it is the this selection right here, the 2006 Plus Evo 10. Then you're going to want to make sure that the map that you have from your tuner is saved onto your laptop. Then we're going to go to open ROM and then select the tune file and hit open. Boom, now it's loaded. Then what I like to do is just test write it first to the ECU's flash memory, so nothing will be written. Here you're going to get this alert, turn your ignition on, so once, twice, but don't turn on the car. We'll tap OK. And then the car's going to do its thing. Radiator fans are going to turn on, you know, different service lights and whatnot. And just let that finish. Cool, so it's successfully finished. And this was just the test, so now we're going to do the real thing. So we're going to come over here to actually writing it, and we'll do the same process again. Ignition is already turned to the on position, so okay. And same thing. Boom, successfully completed. Now the map is officially on the car. Also, one thing to note is that your check engine light comes on after every time you flash a tune, so don't be alarmed by that. You just got to clear it and then you're Gucci. And that's how you load a map onto your car using ECU flash. Save this video for later and let me know if you have any questions down below.